Welcome to Beautyistic, where we're all about keeping it real with honest, in-depth beauty reviews. Today, we're checking out a product that's got a lot of buzz in the beauty world, the Ardell Naked Lashes 420 Multipack. If you're a lash lover or someone just getting into the world of falsies, this one might be for you. But let's see if these lashes really live up to the hype. The Ardell Naked Lashes 420 Multipack offers 4 pairs of lightweight, natural-looking lashes designed for everyday wear. The main attraction here is the Invisiband, which promises a comfortable, seamless fit for all-day wear. These lashes are crafted from high-quality real hair, adding a soft, natural touch to your eye makeup. The flexible band is designed to make application easier, ensuring that you don't have to struggle with stiff lashes that don't sit right. When it comes to real-world testing, the first thing I noticed is how lightweight these lashes feel. They're easy to apply, and the flexible Invisiband technology really does make a difference. It molds to the shape of your lash line without causing discomfort. And that's a big win for anyone who's worn false lashes and struggled with irritation or heavy-feeling bands. I wore them through a full day of running errands, and they stayed in place without needing a touch-up. In terms of comfort, they exceeded expectations. These lashes are definitely soft, and they feel surprisingly natural compared to some of the more synthetic options out there. That softness translates to comfort, so you won't be tugging at them throughout the day. The band is nearly invisible once they're applied, blending seamlessly with my natural lashes. If you like a light, everyday lash look, these are a great option. Now, no product is perfect. One downside I noticed is that the lashes are a bit on the lighter side. If you're someone who prefers dramatic lashes or more volume, you might not get the intensity you're looking for with this particular style. They're perfect for a natural look, but might not offer enough oomph for evening or more bold styles. When it comes to value for money, these lashes are priced in the mid-range for falsies. Given the quality of the materials, the comfort of the Invisiband, and the overall performance, I'd say they provide good value. You're getting 4 pairs in a pack, which makes it a more cost-effective option for daily wearers. For the price, you're definitely getting what you pay for. If you're looking for alternatives, there are plenty of other brands that offer similar styles, but few at this price point with the same level of comfort and natural look. You could consider brands like Eyelash or Kiss for similar natural-looking lashes, but they might not offer the same blend of flexibility and comfort as Ardell's Invisiband technology. The build quality of these lashes is solid. The band is strong, but it retains the flexibility needed for easy application. They're also reusable, so if you're careful with them, you'll get several uses out of each pair. In terms of longevity, these lashes hold up well. They're lightweight and comfortable enough to wear for long periods, and they didn't lose shape after multiple wears. Overall, the Ardell Naked Lashes 420 Multipack delivers exactly what it promises: comfortable, natural-looking lashes that are easy to apply and wear all day. If you're looking for lashes that blend seamlessly with your natural lashes, these are a great option, especially for daily wear. They might not provide the drama some people are after, but for those who love a subtle, flirty lash look, these could be your new go-to. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you've used these Ardell lashes, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.